Hi, my name is Andrew, and today was the best day ever. Today, I went to the Veggie Boys. So the Veggie Boys are a big YouTuber. Well, they're big YouTubers. They got a giant farm, and today, that's where I went. And they got this brand new hat. So, when I pulled up in the truck, they were just about to leave. So I took some pictures with them. I talked with them, and then I took a picture with a giant pumpkin. It was like about this big, probably bigger. Yeah, definitely bigger. Like, and this one, probably longer. Yeah, definitely longer. So I took some pictures with them, and I talked to them, and I just wanted to thank them for giving me some time to, like you already know, talk to them, take some pictures. So I want to thank the Veggie Boys for just letting me do that. So it's getting pretty cold here in Pennsylvania, so we need to talk about this. So this is called a frost blanket. You could use it to like protect your plants from the frost. So you guys remember that I put the mesh on, and then a couple days, then I put the frost blanket on over the mesh. So I did this one, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to use this stuff. We're protecting our carrots, and some more carrots, and some beets, and some baby beets. Baby carrots, and some more carrots, and some more carrots. So we're going to do that by taking our frost blanket and putting it on there. Yep. Oh. Here we go. And down. Wood. So now we're going to find wood and fix up the edges. Whoa. Okay. The wood keeps the frost blanket from flying all over. So I need to get some wood from over here. Can we use this? And we're gonna use this right there. Okay, that's to do it. So we got this one. See? The wind's starting to make it blow away a little. Not anymore. Okay. Now, excuse me, tomato. Whoa, see, it's so windy. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I can make a garden into a gym. Oh, why? I was exercising. Whew. So there we go. This is it. The store in my eyes. So now it's gonna be protected from the frost. And if we need to, we can put plastic over it too. So, so let's talk more about the Veggie Boys. So everybody already knows that I went there, took some pictures, and I talked and I got this awesome hat. Really need to check their channel out. They're really good, great farmers, and you need to watch some more of their videos. So make sure you like and subscribe to the Veggie Boys and me. So yeah, it was awesome. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.